Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys my dog cake recipe. So if you have some fur babies like I do, I have two now, sad face. I mostly try to make them a cake every year. This one specifically is for my cousin who's going to take photos of the dog, but I thought I would take the time to show you guys the recipe so you guys have it, because I do charge $35 for my dog cakes. It is a lot that goes into them, so if someone thinks that they don't want to pay that much and they want to try and make it themselves, well, that's what this video is for. So let's jump in and I'll start with the ingredients. So for today, you're gonna have 2 cups of flour. I have all-purpose flour. You're gonna use 2 teaspoons of baking soda. I also need half a cup of peanut butter, half a cup of oil, 2 cups of shredded carrots. You're also gonna use 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, which I don't have out, and 2/3 cups of honey and 2 eggs. So once you're mixed up, this is what your mix should look like. Now I'm gonna separate this into 2 6-inch round pans and put it in the oven for about 25 minutes, and then I'll do the toothpick check and keep it in for 5 minutes until I think it's ready. So I just put the cake in the oven, so while that's baking, I'm gonna go ahead and get the icing ready to go. You only need 3 ingredients for this one. You're gonna use 8 ounces of low-fat cream cheese. You make sure it is room temperature. You're gonna use half a cup of powdered sugar and half a cup of peanut butter, and you're just gonna mix it all together and we'll be good to go. Once your icing's mixed, it should look something like this. I did end up adding a little bit of extra powdered sugar just to make a little bit more icing. So I probably did 3/4 cups of powdered sugar, not half a cup.